The Tanzania Foundation for Research and Statistics, TFoRS, has a relatively brief yet significant history dating back to its establishment on February 24, 2022. This marked a transformative moment in the pursuit of knowledge, research and data-driven decision-making in Tanzania. On February 24, 2022, TFoRS was formally founded in response to the growing need for a more comprehensive and research-oriented organization. The transition from the Pious Data Service Center, PDSC, to TFoRS represented a strategic move to broaden the organization's reach and capabilities. TFoRS was conceived as a multidisciplinary research and statistics foundation designed not only to collect and manage data, but also to actively engage in research activities aimed at addressing critical issues in Tanzania. TFoRS defined 4 core thematic areas that serve as guiding pillars for its activities. Health, acknowledging the pivotal role of healthcare in the well-being of the population. TFoRS emphasizes research and statistics related to healthcare. This focus is crucial for the development of effective healthcare policies and programs. Environment. With the world increasingly grappling with environmental challenges, TFoRS places strong emphasis on research and data collection in environmental science. This encompasses monitoring and managing natural resources, addressing climate change, and supporting conservation efforts. Industrialization, recognizing industrialization as a fundamental driver of economic growth and development. TFoRS is committed to providing valuable insights and data to support Tanzania's industrialization efforts, thereby enhancing the country's economic prospects. Energy. Ensuring a sustainable and reliable energy supply is a cornerstone for national growth. TFoRS concentrates on the energy sector to understand energy needs, sources and sustainable practices. TFoRS aspires to be a driving force in advancing research, promoting evidence-based policy-making and contributing to the overall development of Tanzania. By concentrating on these thematic areas, the Foundation seeks to offer valuable insights, shape policies and make significant contributions to the sustainable development of the country. The transformation of PDSC to TFoRS represented a significant milestone, ushering in a new era in the quest for knowledge, research, and data-driven decision-making in Tanzania. With the mission to enhance the nation's development, TFoRS has set up its digital presence through a website, www.tfors.or.tz, and established communication channels through email, info@tfors.or.tz, WhatsApp and phone, plus 255 736 694 307, to facilitate engagement and collaboration in pursuit of its objectives. As we dive deeper into the world of Tanzania, it's fascinating to see how the country's infrastructure supports the 4 thematic areas of TFoRS. Starting with health, Tanzania is a proud host to an extensive network of hospitals and health centers, which are the core of the country's healthcare system. These facilities provide a platform for research, policy recommendations and implementation, allowing TFoRS to work towards the advancement of health policies and overall development in the health sector. Moving on to the environment. Tanzania's rich biodiversity is preserved and nurtured in its national parks and conservation areas. These protected areas serve as the backbone of environmental research and policy formulation, aligning perfectly with TFoRS's focus on environmental conservation and sustainability. Industrialization, one of the key areas of TFoRS, is supported by a plethora of factories, industries and trade zones scattered across the country. These zones are a testament to Tanzania's commitment to industrial growth and development, providing a fertile ground for TFoRS to contribute to the country's sustainable industrialization journey. Lastly, energy infrastructure in Tanzania is diverse and expanding, with hydroelectric dams, solar farms, and natural gas plants dotting the landscape. These energy sources not only power the nation, but also provide TFoRS with the settings for research and policy development in the energy sector. In conclusion, these infrastructures play a crucial role in supporting TFoRS's thematic areas, providing the foundation upon which the organization can build its research, policy, and development initiatives. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these infrastructures and their roles in the next scenes. Tanzania, a country blessed with an abundance of natural resources, has a wealth of assets that directly contribute to its 4 thematic areas. These resources, in many ways, form the lifeblood of the nation and are vital for the work of TFoRS. Starting with health, Tanzania is home to a variety of medicinal plants and clean water sources. These natural resources form a significant part of the country's health sector, providing essential ingredients for traditional medicine and safe drinking water for its citizens. The environment, rich in biodiversity, is a treasure trove of unique flora and fauna. Endemic species, stunning landscapes, and pristine ecosystems are the country's key environmental resources. They are not only a source of national pride, but also offer a unique platform for environmental research and conservation efforts. Moving on to industrialization, Tanzania's mineral wealth, including gold, diamonds, and tanzanite, drives the nation's industrial sector. The extraction and processing of these minerals contributes significantly to Tanzania's economy and provides substantial opportunities for research and policy development in the field of sustainable industrialization. Lastly, when we talk about energy, Tanzania's natural resources are pivotal. The country's rivers provide the potential for hydroelectric power, the abundant sunlight is harnessed for solar energy, and the vast natural gas reserves contribute to its energy sector. These resources not only power the nation, but also provide an excellent environment for research and policy development in the energy sector. In conclusion, these natural resources play an indispensable role in supporting TFoRS's thematic areas and contribute significantly to the organization's research and policy development initiatives. Stay tuned as we explore more about how TFoRS leverages these resources in the next scene.